Guys, if you're watching, we're here at the Bendigo Leisurefest 2025, and I'm here with Mr. Steve Golding. How are you, mate?
Good, mate. How are you?
Caravan royalty, by the way. Come from a good line of caravan people, mate. And you've joined the ranks.
100%.
So, and we're sitting in the Sirius. Mate, this is pretty much one of your premier models, right? So tell us a bit about it.
All right, so what we do in the 23'6" Sirius Roadstar 2026 model is we do a one-piece joined van. So we've got one-piece walls, 26 mils. We've got our 45 mil floor and our 26 mil one-piece roof as well.
Why is that so important?
It's so important because you don't have any joints for any leaks or any ingress of any issues of water.
I guess that any
or
joint,
cracks.
any hole, any whatever, there's always a potential for something to go wrong. And if you get rid of that, well, you've got a lot less potential, right? Yeah.
Exactly. And the good thing about the fiberglass construction is it's all built in-house at Roadstar as well.
And easy to fix if something happens.
100%.
Yeah.
Buffed or, insurance, all that sort of stuff all covers you.
This is no small van. This is really big. The kitchen has so much space in it. I'm loving the middle ensuite. I'm actually liking that on the vans I see. You guys have done it really, really well.
Yeah.
And full-size bed, the whole lot. So inside, and this is a premium off-road caravan.
100%, yeah. So you're on Cruise Master airbag suspension, wireless remote. You've got a nice angled kitchen, CNC furniture.
So I imagine battery system wise and solar and those kinds of things, that's going to be pretty important on a van like this. What are you doing in that space?
So you've got 1200 watts of solar, so 6 by 190
1200
panels.
watts,
Yeah,
wow. So that's a fair bit of power, mate. That's a lot of power.
Yeah, it is. So that we've also got the caravan system in here too.
What else does someone need to know? The discerning buyer is looking for that sort of home away from home.
Yeah.
What else do they need to know about this van?
I think they just need to know that this is all built in Melbourne by, family.
So Aussie built.
Aussie
built
built.
here, back to here.
Yeah, back here. So built in Melbourne, built for Australia. That's the biggest thing for us. And we've got the dealer.
And you've been doing it for
support
decades,
national
so
as well.
you want to be pretty good at it if you're still around after.
Hopefully, they might just realise that my old man's just said, here you go. Nah, it's a very tough industry, but the way that we've been able to get through it and keep building and keep getting better, it's been great to know that the hard work's been put in, and now I can team up and go hard with Ken, the owner of Roadstar.
I know Kenny for a long time. He's a
Good man.
So I've noticed you've done a bit of rebranding here too. I love the new logo and all that kind of stuff. If people want to find out more about you, where do they go?
Roadstar.com.au would be where I would go right now. Come and see us.
Get on it.